Imagine a civilization so advanced that it had its own urban planning, sewage systems, and even a measurement system nearly 5,000 years ago. That's the Harappan civilization, a testament to human innovation and resilience that radiated its influence during the Bronze Age. This sophisticated civilization, stunningly ahead of its time, held secrets of architectural innovation and urban planning that was far advanced than we could ever imagine. It was not just a civilization, it was an epitome of organized living. This ancient society had a deep understanding of the human lifestyle, from designing intricate sewage systems that could rival some of the modern-day cities, to establishing a detailed measurement system that signified their proficiency in mathematics and engineering. This was the Harappan civilization, where innovation was not just an abstract concept, but a way of life. Unearthed in the year 1921, this civilization was a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. It lay buried deep beneath the dust and mysteries of time, a testament to human ingenuity and courage. Its discovery opened a new chapter in the understanding of humankind's evolution, its history, and the profound capabilities of our ancestors. The civilization was found nestled in the vast plains of the Indus River Valley, a region blessed with fertile soil and an abundance of natural resources. This was a place where ancient architects and engineers built expansive cities with intricate networks of roads and buildings. It was here that archaeologists, on their quest for knowledge, stumbled upon the remnants of a society that once thrived. The initial findings were nothing short of awe-inspiring. The city layouts were so systematic, so perfect, that each brick, each road, and each building testified to the extraordinary skills of the Harappan people. Their knowledge of city planning, their understanding of human needs, and their relentless pursuit of perfection was reflected in every corner of their cities. The first site to be excavated, Harappa, which lent its name to this entire civilization. The excavation revealed the intricacies of Harappan life, their homes, their workplaces, their trading centers. Everything painted a vivid picture of a society that was both advanced and organized. It was a civilization that left an indelible mark on the sands of time, forever reminding us of the human capacity for innovation, resilience, and progress. Each artifact, each remnant, each story unearthed from the depths of Harappa stands as a testament to the extraordinary civilization that once flourished here. Every discovery at Harappa added another layer to our understanding of this advanced civilization, revealing facets of their lifestyle, culture, and ingenuity that were hitherto unknown. The excavation at Harappa was just the beginning. It was the first glimpse into a civilization that was lost in time. Even today, Harappa continues to amaze scholars and researchers with its complex urban planning, sophisticated sewage systems, and detailed measurement system. The first site to be excavated was Harappa, which lent its name to this entire civilization. The Harappan civilization spanned across what we now know as present-day Pakistan and northwest India. It was a vast and sprawling society, spread over an area of about 1 million square kilometers, marking it as one of the largest ancient civilizations. It was an era that witnessed the rise and fall of more than 1,000 settlements, a number that stands testament to the powerful reign of this civilization in the annals of human history. The settlements were not just scattered dwellings of people, but well-established urban centers that thrived on organized city planning. These included the likes of Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, and Dholavira, names that still echo with the strides of progress that they made. The cities were marvels of their time, far beyond the comprehension of an age devoid of technological advancements. In these cities, one could see the seeds of modern urban living being sowed, a spectacle that was truly unprecedented in the historical timeline. Among the key urban centers, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were cradles of meticulous planning. They were not just cities, but living embodiments of a civilization ahead of its time. Every detail was crafted with an intense understanding of urbanization, from the layout of the city to the construction of the dwellings. Each city was crowned by a citadel, a raised platform that was not just a symbol of authority but also housed public buildings and temples. It was from this citadel that the rulers of these cities would govern their domains, overseeing the activities of their people and ensuring their well-being. Beneath the citadel was the lower city, the residential hub for the common people. This lower city was divided into several blocks, each functioning as an independent unit but forming part of a greater whole. Every block was well equipped with necessities like wells for water and a proper system. It reflected a remarkable understanding of not just construction, but also social planning. One of the most striking aspects of these cities was the roads and streets. Unlike the haphazard lanes of other ancient cities, Harappan streets were laid out in a neat grid pattern. This grid planning was a testament to their understanding of urban planning. It helped in easy navigation, ensured orderly movement of people and goods, and represented a sense of uniformity and organization. It was a clear indicator of the understanding of urban planning that the Harappans had, a concept that still forms the backbone of modern city planning. The streets were not just pathways, they were the veins of the city, pulsating with life and activity. They bore witness to the daily routines, the hustle and bustle of the markets, the processions and festivities, and the simple, mundane, yet beautiful aspects of Harappan life. The stories they could tell, if only they could speak. The Harappan civilization was a marvel of its time, only to be rediscovered and revered thousands of years later. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were meticulously planned. Each city had a citadel, a raised platform that housed public buildings and temples. The lower city, home to the common people, was divided into several blocks, each with its own well and drainage system. The streets were laid out in a grid pattern, a testament to their understanding of urban planning. The Harappan people were not just excellent city planners, but also skilled artisans. They crafted beautiful pottery, intricate seals, and exquisite jewelry. The seals, often depicting animals, are some of the most iconic artifacts of this civilization. The Harappan civilization also developed a system of standardized weights and measures. They used a binary system similar to the one used in modern computers. This shows their keen understanding of mathematics and geometry. Despite its grandeur, the Harappan civilization began to decline around 1900 BC. Several theories attempt to explain this decline, from climate change to invasion by other civilizations, but the exact cause remains a mystery. By around 1500 BC, most of the major cities had been abandoned, marking the end of an era. In summary, the Harappan civilization was a marvel of the Bronze Age. Discovered in the 1920s, it revealed a society that was advanced in urban planning, craftsmanship, and mathematics. From the well-planned cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro to the beautiful artifacts, the Harappan civilization gives us a glimpse into a fascinating chapter of human history. However, like every other civilization, the Harappan civilization also met its end. The causes of its decline are still uncertain, adding a layer of mystery to this ancient civilization. Despite its fall, the Harappan civilization continues to captivate us, reminding us of the immense potential of human innovation and resilience.